Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today is day 15 of the beautymas series here on my YouTube channel, and today is also episode 12 of the my top 5 favorite products. So today we're going to be talking all about bronzers. In 5th place we have the Physicians Formula Butter Glow Liquid Bronzer. I liked this one. I definitely do have to use a small amount of it. Oh, and this is in the shade Bronze, by the way. Like I said, I do have to use a very small amount of it, and I really do like it. And it's really pigmented, which is great. In 4th place, we have the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Face Palette. I'm going to put a picture of it right here. I used to use this one a lot. It was really good. I mainly used it for when I wanted to do makeup on other people, and it was amazing. I really did like it. I don't have it anymore, but it was really nice. In 3rd place, we have another product I don't have anymore. This is the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Bronzer. This one was amazing. The only thing that I didn't really like about it is because it was in a small container, and I did not like that. I did really get a good use out of it. In 2nd place, we have the Makeup by Mario Bronzing and Shaping Serum. This one is amazing. I love to use this for my everyday makeup looks. It is so nice, and I have the shade Light. I like that it also has the squirt. You can squirt it out or can use the doe foot applicator, which is nice. I only usually squirt it on the back of my hand rather than using the actual doe foot. I really do like this bronzing and shaping serum. In 1st place, we have a product that kind of replaced my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I did want to mention it though. I do still really love this product. It pushed it aside kinda, and this is my new favorite powder bronzer. This is a Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Bronzer in the shade Light. I'm actually wearing it right now, and it's so nice. I love it. Okay, so that was all of my favorite bronzers. See you guys tomorrow for day 16. Bye!